So Richard, what do you reckon I should actually fit to the Ranger when it comes to shock absorbers?
It's a beautiful car, Pat. You're going a long way around Australia. I think what we're going to do this time though is we're going to run the Digressive Shocks, DSVs for short. These are a beautiful shock absorber that we've developed for long distance travel, rough roads, just about anything that you want to run with, and they'll never die. They're excellent. We love them.
So digressive, I've never heard of that when it comes to a shock absorber.
What it basically means is it's going to take control of the vehicle and stop it from moving too much, like when you go through a hole and you get thrown around, your head's wobbling from side to side. But it will allow it to walk over the corrugations and you let the coil springs or the leaf springs do their job, right, and give you the comfort both ways. Control and comfort. Main thing is you'll never be able to kill them.
Okay, and these ones aren't actually adjustable, so you just they tend to do everything,
Yep.
I guess, actively on the track.
We've got the valving takes care of everything internally. So the nice thing about the Digressive Shocks is you don't have to do anything. There's no moving parts that you need to adjust or anything like that to tune it or that can get hit. They're a very strong body. They feature the cutouts here, right, are a heat sink. So this is dissipating heat from where the piston area is, okay, keeps it cool. The oil inside this is a high performance racing oil where you will not get shock fade over time. So we'll show you that in a little while. We'll run this one up to speed and you'll be able to see the difference in how that works. But these ones will be beautiful off-road, they'll be beautiful on the beach, beautiful in all terrain. It's got internal baffle systems, the same as your fuel tank, so it keeps all of the oil down in the piston area. It's got hydraulic top-out stops in the top, so when your wheel drops away, it's a soft landing, it doesn't try and rip the top off your shock. It's got scraper seals up in the top of here that clean your piston rod before it gets to the triple lip seal. It's beautiful. Everything that we can do to make this shock absorber work for the long term is what it is, can't kill it. Then you get to the valving and the piston, and that's a bit more secret.
Yeah, okay. And I do love the simplicity of this too, because there's a beauty in the simplicity when you're in the bush where you don't have to worry about that adjustability and I don't know, knobs falling off or whatever going on, the complications of things. So I think that'll be great for this because it is an Outback build, and that's where sometimes you can get things too complicated, as you know. But I'm looking forward to having a play with that.
Excellent. Well, we'll put them in your car and see how you love it.
Excellent.